The Avengers, Building Survival Skills in a Career Wonderland. My name is Rose Hussin, and I'll be running a gamification workshop titled Self-Discovery, Be Your Own Career Designer. There will be 5 parts to this workshop, and it'll be run as a gamification activity to engage learners. There'll be 50 hidden links where you'll search round and down the rabbit holes in a treasure hunt in the cloud. We'll begin with an icebreaker quiz, and you'll be using your cell phone to access most of the materials. You'll be asked to imagine yourself as a superhero, just like the Avengers. And you'll be asked to upload your avatar into the slide deck before you attend the session. Here's my avatar. I call her Doctor Who, digital resident helping others online. But who am I and what do I do? You'll find out when you come to the session, and you'll talk about some of the things that I do. I'll tell you about my story, the background, and how I had my career and how the pathway was not so smooth. We'll also be talking about web literacy and all the other competencies that are needed in the 21st century. We'll talk about the learning culture in the online world today. The objectives of this program are to help you understand about personal branding and to educate you on pre-career planning. We'll help you map your career path and to understand about the different ways to look at your careers as either as a generalist or a specialist. And we'll be walking through some strategies of how you'll survive your future career. But what is the difference between career and your passion and your vocation and your profession and your occupation and simply the job? Why do we do what we do? We'll examine the why and the values that we have in our life. We'll learn how we can balance our needs, and we'll learn what are our needs. We'll understand what are the different things that we have to deal with in our lives. What are we good at? What do we enjoy? And what are we natural at? And we'll deal with that before we even decide what to do and take action. But the best way to talk about it is through storytelling and through doing. You'll be doing a lot of activities, learning by doing through gamification. And last but not least, we'll be talking about how to be nuts, which is an acronym. You'll have a moment of reflection towards the end of the program. And of course, there'll be a session for questions and answers. I look forward to seeing you. See you soon.